That is the basic uh, objective. Then second one is increasing the integral action of various elements of building. Again, increasing the structural properties such as ductility, stiffness. These properties increases due to re-strengthening of the part of the building. Then it again reducing the sources of weakness and irregularities of structure. That is again a important objective of doing the re-strengthening for any part of the building. Okay, again the main or basic theme of strengthening is to upgrade the resistance of existing structure or damage structure by restriction or removal of parts to provide better functioning. Okay, that is the main theme. And the re-strengthening shall be carried out to improve the performance under existing design load or to increase the strength of structural element to carry an additional load. That is again the aim of doing re-strengthening. The term re-strengthening is making the structure more strong again so that relatively structure becomes stronger as it was previous one. Okay, so this is about re-strengthening of the building structure. Then next process is rehabilitation. It is the process of returning a structure to its earlier condition or prior to damage. Okay, it may also define as the act or process of making optimum use of property through repairs, alterations and additions while preserving those portions or features. Okay, these are some basic operations that carried out during the rehabilitation to increase the ultimately increase the properties of building structure. The term rehabilitation is related to the reconstruction of damaged structure to the same function as that of structure prior to the damage. As per the opinion of Newman, rehabilitation is one of the technique in which upgradation is required to meet the present needs and matching to the original construction along with functioning. This is the major function of doing or major purpose of doing the rehabilitation to the building structure, and which is mentioned by the scientist Newman in the year 2001. So this is the fourth operation or term, or that is the process done on the building structure. And the last one is restoration. It is the most restrictive than rehabilitation, in which replication of structure as originally it was built. Okay, it is again different method, as it is simply the replication of structure as it is originally built. And the term restoration is the process of regaining the original strength of structure before damage occurs. Okay, this is the major aim, to regain original strength of that structure before the structure damage occurs. And the restoration is mainly carried out to increase the strength of load bearing elements by addition of temporary structure. Again, addition of more structural elements, increasing the dimensions of load bearing elements, etc. These are the some methods carried out. Okay, What are those? The addition of temporary structure, the addition of more structural elements, and increasing the dimensions of load bearing elements. That these are the some additional processes done during the restoration process. Okay, temporary structures ultimately increase the load bearing capacity of that building. Then addition of more structural elements ultimately gives the strength to the whole building structure, and increasing the dimensions of load bearing elements that will provide additional strength to the building structure. The technique of restoration may even involve the removal of certain portion and replacing it with new and stronger elements. And the restoration is the process in which return the structure to its original condition. That is the important aspect. So restoration is the process in which a return of the structure to its original condition. That is the ultimate aim of doing restoration operation during the building maintenance. Okay, so this much is for this particular lecture. We will continue with basics of maintenance and repairs in upcoming videos. Thank you.